So we're just about to head out today, and where are we going, Elsa?
We're going to IKEA.
So we are now in the car on our way to IKEA. Whee! Yeah. And as you can see from the weather,
It's an English day.
yep, non-stop rain since the start of the year.
Here we are at IKEA, rainy day in England,
I'm looking forward to it.
walking into IKEA Nottingham. And you've got a lot of other places here too, lots of sofa stores.
And the new Mackies.
So you have lots of places that look like this, sort of homemade, home-built studios with all their products inside if you've never been to an IKEA before. Pretty cool. Swedish.
If you've never been to IKEA, where have you been living?
There's a cool bit here that looks like the stairs to someone's house. It leads to nowhere. Fake cereal bowl and fake... Is that supposed to be tea?
Yeah.
And a fake TV. For you to watch with your fake tea and your fake porridge. So far we're getting a holder for spaghetti. Here we got some furry chairs. So in this section here you've just got lots of different sofas on show. But Elsa's looking at one of these candle-lit things. We've got some nice candles here in IKEA, but always nice to smell and test out.
I like the smell of fresh linen.
We have a cool little outdoor gardening bit here with some fake plants leading into a house, which is what this one looks like inside. And here there's a welcome mat and a door which leads to nowhere. And you've got your armchairs and stuff in down here. And you've got your footrests over here too. And then here you've got your tables for living room, a jigsaw, which is fake. Now my favourite made-up room here is this one. I kind of want the studio in our house to end up looking like this. Sort of have some black walls, but make it look nice and sort of studio-like in there.
It's nice, cozy. You get some Kallax shelf things.
Is that John Lennon? No, it's not. Got a cool Swedish kitchen in here. A nice chandelier. And a nice table layout. And now she's busy looking at some things over here.
Besta. Because they're simply the besta.
And here, fitting in with music theme, we've got a fake mixing board. Look at that. Kind of want that on my wall. And fake vinyls as well. It's supposed to be Pink Floyd, Dark Side of the Moon. So what I like about this bit here, like here, is you can end up having something that looks like that. You can make it your own. You can choose a frame, choose legs, what it says there, and there's all the different types of wood you can have as part of it. And you can go on a computer over there and then type in how you want your design.
I'm going to have a look to see if we can do it on my phone instead.
One cool thing I like in IKEA are these lights. You open them up and they go like that. Look like a Death Star from Star Wars or something. In this section we've got kitchen dining tables. And the one thing I don't think I've said about IKEA before, every single item is actually named in Swedish. So that is a USP of IKEA, and it's pretty cool. This is another nice dining table, orange candles, they look like carrots.
Recommend eating them?
What I like in this space here is it's like an entire house. So this is the living room, then you've got the dining room over there, and then you've got a bedroom over there behind us. We're supposed to be making pancakes.
I think they're made out of paper.
You've got your jams, you've got your pancakes, you've got your spices. And here is Elsa eating.
Invisible noodles.
I like the lights that they have here, they look interesting. Got a washing machine's back there. Nice kitchen in here. We walk through. We've got Elsa sitting on the toilet.
My modesty.
This kitchen, I like the look of this one. Modern. Interesting.
It's nice.
You can even get your ovens from IKEA.
See this fancy microwave?
Fancy microwave. Microwave oven. You've got your fake stuff in the fridge. So you've got your fake Brussels sprouts, fake rice, strawberries, whatever you want, you can have it in IKEA. Now in the workspace area, so we've got places that look kitted out like an office. with lots of different desk chairs and stuff on them. Face person. Now we're in the bedroom section. This is where the magic happens at IKEA. So you've got this area here where there's banisters that lead to nowhere. But it's pretty cool how realistic they try and make things look at IKEA. And here you've got a study area. Cool light. And here you've got a bathroom, I think. It's like a whole flat kitted out. 1,500 a month this place would be. A nice looking bedroom in this bit, which has a big walk-in wardrobe, which is pretty cool. Got your clothes there, your clothes over here, and that's about it. A cool place in here, very bougie looking. You've got his and her sink, and you've got disco balls above the bath, so you can have a disco in your bath.
It's a bit different, isn't it?
So we've been looking at wardrobes, and it looks like the monkeys up there are doing something conspicuous.
Up to monkey round.
Up to monkey business. And the most fun part of the store, more monkeys at it, is this bit here and down there, where you got like lots of cool toys. Like you got giraffes, you've got pandas, bears, lots of different things in here. And Elsa likes the hippos over here.
Woo!
That's a lot of hippos.
Cute. I like the hippos.
Now I've got the cool mirror section with lots of different mirrors around.
I like the lights on that.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, that one looks quite jazzy. And here we have the best part of IKEA, the restaurant. So you come, you get your meatballs, you get nice foods as well, like chocolate cake and dime cake and stuff as you walk along to get your meatballs. And more cakes and here too. Meatballs, lingonberry jam, and a dime cake. What do you think?
So nice. Every time.
So in this part we have lots of cutlery, pots and pans, stuff like that, anything for your kitchen. Cheese over there for some reason. IKEA even do their own branded mustard and ketchup. You've got lots of plates and pans and stuff in this section around here too. And you've got your cups and stuff around this part here.
We've got ones over there that got kind of like cool, like geometric-y kind of shapey.
You like the look of them ones? Toilet section, my favourite part. Look at this toilet underneath the stairs. Look at all of these different towels going around in the colour scheme. Very satisfying. Now here we are in the light section of IKEA. Lots of different lights. Over here we have Elsa playing around with lights. Me and Elsa were looking at plants and we found this one over here. Looks a bit dodgy if you ask me. And this is the warehouse bit at the end of IKEA just before we leave the store. So this is where you go and basically pick up the items that you saw around the store. And how it works is you've got one of these screens and you find the item that you're looking for. So to anyone who doesn't know, in Nottingham IKEA, you've got checkouts over there, but you've got this cool bit over here where you can sometimes find some discounted items. Because before you leave, you have this section here where you can basically buy food items and stuff like that from IKEA before you exit the shop.